So today, you'll learn how to add a border to a video in CapCut desktop. So the first step is to launch CapCut, and then you want to create your new project. So click on Create Project, and then this window should appear on your screen. So the next step is to simply click on Import, and then the File Explorer will be opened. Navigate to wherever it is that your video is located. And then once you've located it, you want to select it and then click on Open. So it should be added to the import section. Now you want to add it to the timeline. So click on this plus icon or just drag and drop it directly onto the timeline. Then you'll be able to play it and you can now start editing. So the next step is to simply select the video. So ensure that it's been selected. And then you should see these handles located on each corner of the video. So what you want to do is simply use those handles and you want to shrink the video down so that you can start creating the border. Once you've done that, you should see the video has now a black border surrounding it. So if you want to change the color of that border, it's fairly simple. You then want to go to the option Video, select Basic, and then under Basic, you want to scroll down until you get to Canvas. Under Canvas, you want to click on this drop-down arrow. And then by default, it's set to none. So you want to click on this arrow again, and you want to select color. You can choose a blur or a pattern or a brand background, but for me, I'll be using a color. So when you click on color, you then have different colors that are available for you to choose from. So simply scroll through the list, find the color and select it. When you've done that, you should see the color of the border has changed to something completely different. So now it's up to you to go through these colors. If you don't like what you find, you can use this color wheel option, and then you can use the color picker tool and you can actually choose a color from the image. So if you want this specific shade of green that you see on this chart, you can use the color picker tool and select it, and that will be the color of the border on your video. Alternatively, you can always choose to make an image the border of your video. And to do that, it's slightly different. You'll need to overlay this video underneath that image. So to do that, you want to start by just undoing all these changes that I've made. And then, so you have the video here. And then you need to import the image. So click on Import, then select your image, and then click on Open. So let me choose this one. Then click on Open. Then once you've selected your image, you then want to first put it underneath as the first layer. Then you want to put the video as your overlay. You also want to ensure that you have actually adjusted the video to your liking. So for me, I want to tilt this image around. So what I'll need to do is simply just change the ratio and then tilt the image around. So I can do this like this and then increase the size like that. Then once I've done that, I can now add the video as the overlay on top. So I can just drag it and drop it directly on top of the image like that. And then I can even choose to shorten it. If you find it too long, you can just make it shorter and then just go back and keep adjusting until it matches the timeline for the image. Then once you've done that, you can then come back to the video. And you'll notice already that it has borders at the top and the bottom. If you want to make the borders even clearer, you can just shrink the videos down slightly by using the handles. And then now you have an image as the border for your video. You'll also need to adjust the video so that it actually sits in the middle, both vertically and horizontally. And you can use these blue lines that you see on your screen as a guideline for until you find the exact middle. Then you can let go. And now when you play your video, you'll notice it's bordered by an image directly in the center. So that's how you can add a border to a video in CapCut. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.